Today, we're exploring a platform that lets you buy virtual land that's connected to real-world property that's going to allow you to earn passive income. Let's break it down. Getting started with Atlas Earth is extremely simple. With the link down below, you'll get an extra 200 Atlas bucks after you get your 11th piece of land or your 11th parcel. So how it works, simply buy different pieces of land and they indefinitely will pay you out a certain percentage. Now there's 4 different rarities and they have different payouts associated with them. So there's the common, the rare, the epic, and the legendary. You can see the payouts here. As you can see, I have a 10 times booster here. You have to watch an ad and you will receive bonus for 1 hour. And now that that's over, you can see that I have a booster for 4 hours and 26 minutes here. You can have it up to 6 hours maxed out at a time. Buy one. Now Atlas also offers a couple different ways of earning passively for free. One is they have a daily login bonus where every day you log in, it's going to go up a little bit more. Now on the other side, you'll see where it says join the Explorer Club. That is accessible if you would like to pay $50 a month on their website. And you also will need 5 badges, and you're able to acquire badges by going to different towns, different provinces or states, and different countries. If you're looking to purchase any badges or any of the Atlas bucks, you simply come down to the store here and you can see here are the prices for 100, 300, 900, and 2,400 bucks, and also the badges across the top here. Now every hour you're also able to watch an ad for 1 free Atlas buck. My favorite way of earning with the app is the Atlas Arcade. And why it's my favorite is because a lot of these games, or well, all of these games that you see here pay out per minute, and usually they have a ×2 boost event, which I definitely take advantage of. And the longer you leave the game running on your phone, Atlas also offers a survey program where you're able to do surveys, and upon completion you're going to get this set amount paid out to your account. They also offer Atlas Travel, where if you're able to book your vacation or wherever you're traveling to through Atlas. The other active earning ways that Atlas offers for you is the Diamond Hunt spin wheel. So you get 5 attempts at these per day. You get 3 where you can just spin away 1. And then you'll get 2 more options after that. If you so choose to, you just have to watch an ad for it. So now they do also have their in-app games that run about every 2 days that have a prize payout pool that you pay 2 Atlas bucks per play. Pretty much every time you get paid out quite a bit more than you put in, unless you really suck. And also if you have any friends or family that would be interested, you can also invite them and you will get rewarded for that, and they will get rewarded as well. Now if you are curious, the plots of land are sellable for whatever amount you would like, except for it can't be like 1 or 2 Atlas bucks. It has to be a minimum of at least 90, and Atlas Earth is going to take a 20% of that fee. Now the final earning method that I actually got fortunate enough to be a part of for a bit that has been taken away from me is the mayor of your city. So in your city, if you own the most property, you're going to receive payouts every time someone purchases your city's badge. Now what are you going to do with your money when you actually accrue it? Well, you have 2 options. Soon to be 4, which is going to be cool. Number 1, you can purchase actual Atlas bucks. So you can see with the $15 here, I could purchase 375. Now, if you are going to go that route with it, wait, because they have promotions that go on sometimes that it's going to offer you an extra 33%. So I would not even consider purchasing them unless the promotion is on. The second is you can redeem it for real life. The point. Now you have to accrue $5 worth, which is not that difficult. You just have to let the app run for a little while. Actively participating definitely helps. So if I go for the $5 limit here, but if you go for the get cash, it's going to confirm and you redeem it, and then you get coming soon. Atlas Earth is going to be offering landmark locations. So landmark locations are going to be posted that everybody can bid on. And the final thing I'd like to highlight is Atlas's Earth feature. As you can see around me, there's a whole bunch of these little diamonds. And that is actually going to be how you get the diamonds for the spinner wheel. And my final verdict is Atlas Earth worth it? Is it worth your time? Is it worth your money? If you're looking for a low-risk, fun way to dip your toes into virtual real estate and passive income, I would say it's a good way to go. Definitely do not go putting huge lump sums of money into Atlas Earth and expecting a return anytime soon. It's going to take a little while to pay out, especially if you do not want to watch any of the ads. So just don't expect it to replace your 9 to 5 anytime soon, but definitely expect it to increase your portfolio by adding another source of passive income that you can start completely free. Set it and forget it. Are you ready to claim your virtual land? Well, click the link down in the description below, download Atlas Earth, and start building your empire. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and let me know in the comments where you plan on purchasing your first virtual plot of land. Alright everybody, until next time, stay smart, stay curious, and keep acquiring assets.